extremely maneuverable this airplane is under these skilled hands of the third-generation pilot and second-generation air show performer. Matt started very young, and he has won all of the major performer awards in the North American air show industry. The Bill Barber Award for Air Show Showmanship, and also the International Council of Air Show's Art Show Memorial Showmanship Award. He has flown to date over 85 different types of airplanes, from Piper Cubs all the way up to the largest bomber from World War II, the B-29 Super Fortress. To fly when he was 14 and soloed on his 16th birthday on his grandfather's 1920s version Travel Air biplane. He's the son of legendary airshow performer Bobby Yonkin and the grandson of Jim Yonkin, a gentleman who changed aviation forever with his development of the Century and True Track autopilots. Revolutionized aviation with those two. Matt's also an accomplished radio-controlled model airplane pilot. He learned most of his aerobatic skills by flying radio-controlled models and later refined them in an airplane known as the Super Decathlon. I would invite you to get your cameras ready because Matt is turning around out on the left-hand side of the crowd. He'll hook it around and put it up on its right wing a little bit, and you'll be able to see the Twin Beach, this 1943 airplane that started its life as a commercial plane, was commandeered by the U.S. military in World War II to be used as a light cargo aircraft, a navigator